ICMOC. What is ICMOC? Okay? I stands for, pakibasa? Information. C stands for communication. M stands for motivation. O stands for organization. C stands for okay. Ang point lang yan is this. Do you think information importante? Do you think importanteng magbasa kayo ng libro? Sino sa inyo nagbabasa ng libro? Oh, ba't yes ng yes yung iba? Do you think it's important for you to talk to people who will motivate you? Okay? How can I prove to you that information is very vital? Based on ICMOC, the more informations that you have, the more things that you can communicate to other people. Diba? Pag marami kang informasyon, mas marami kang bagay na maiko-communicate sa mga partners mo. Is that right? And the more things na maiko-communicate mo sa mga partners mo, the more din sila ma-motivate. Would you agree? Every time na kinakausap ka ng partner mo, kung lagi ka sinasabihan, alam mo, according to John Maxwell, teamwork is like this, na motivate ka ba? Of course. And the more na-motivate sila, the more lalaki yung inyong, pakibasa? Organization. And at the end of the day, pag lumalaki yung organization mo, ano yung kasunod? Commission. And of course, the less informations that you have, the less communication that you can give to your partners. The less motivation, less organization. Bottom line, less. Paano pag no? No information, no communication. No communication, no motivation. No motivation, no organization. No organization, yun ang bottom line. Let's